What's up? It's the 1B, and I'm back with another Adobe Photoshop thumbnail creation. And this one is going to be one that's a little different, actually. So what we want to do is we want to look at for my tabletop one. I'm going to go and grab that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to close this one out. And this part can be removed. We don't need it. Grab my logo right here. Hit V, and I'm going to center. I'm going to go tabletop exploration. We're going to do character create. Going on here. Let's go ahead and hit T for text. Why are you doing this to me? Okay. Hey, you. Is it locked? It might be locked. I might have to look here. Character creation test. Let's see. Let's get rid of that one. Oh, I did something to it. No worries. No worries. What's going on there? So let's go back to T. Hold on 1 second. And then we'll hit V. We'll grab it. Holding down the left mouse button, holding shift, and we're going to drag down. And that's going to leave it like that. And then we're going to go here. Why is this being funky monkey? All right. This is character creation in, let's see, D&D Beyond character creation. Character creation. It's up. And we're going to accept. We're going to hit V. We are going to center. Come on, what's going on here? There we go. I like it about there. Can I select this one here? Yes, good. Thank you for not. So I try to make my stuff non-destructible so that I can reuse it. I didn't realize that I made that text that way, but well, it's all right. It's gonna be fun. D&D Beyond D&D Beyond character creation. That's what we want. Go ahead and accept that. Character creation. I just want to look at this. It's got a black outline, and then it's got a fancy schmancy gradient. Good. Got it. What was that? First thing, we need the gradient. I kind of like that gradient. I also like these colors here. Very tabletop-y. Tabletop-y. All right, let's go into character creation here. There's special effects. Let's go ahead and give it its inner. Let's go to gradient overlay. I think I may have the overlay in here. What do you know? What do you know? How do we feel about that one? Yeah, no, this one I like is the gold. Yeah, we'll go with the gold or bronze or whatever. And we are going to select a stroke. Go ahead and I don't want a metal stroke though. Doesn't have to be a gradient. We want a solid. Black is perfect. Let's go ahead and make it a little bit thicker. Not from center. We want it from outside. Call it 10. Really even see it? If I had an outer stroke. White. See it now? There. Okay. All right. I'm okay with that. Oh, they all have it. Oh, well, let's just do this. Go ahead and select all of them. Character. It's going to stretch out a little bit here. What about 75? How does that look? Still a little tight. Go to 100. Still a little tight. A little bit more. What about 150? Okay. I'm happy with that. There we go. Let's take that one and this one. No. This one and this one. And let's go ahead and set. No. Let's put them in a folder. Perfect. Little text. Now let's center it. Bye-bye. Tabletop Exploration, D&D Beyond Character Creation. The 1B. Let's go ahead and file save as, save on your computer. We are in Tabletop. Let's make a new folder. We'll call this D&D Beyond Character Creation. D&D Beyond Character Creation. Save the file. Then we will export the file. Then we want to hit V1 at the beginning of that. V1, we will save. All right, the D&D Beyond character creation video will be up within the next 2 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and put this thumbnail up on the video. Tomorrow I will go through and schedule all these videos that I've been creating thumbnails for. And so watch out for those videos coming out in the next 2 weeks. And while I put this on YouTube, hopefully you'll go and check out some of my other videos. Talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.